All right, it is day number 16 of the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar, so we'll go ahead and move on here. I'm trying to keep all of these together and kind of in somewhat sense of an order here. I know I'm going to forget which is which, but we'll come back to that. All right. All right. What is this? I'm very confused. All right, we'll go ahead and do this here together. Looks like this one was open already. Interesting. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna be putting a blaster together here. Sort of, maybe? I don't know. All right, we'll do this here together. All right, so this definitely goes like this. This one goes like this. This one goes like this. Okay, and then we're gonna do, looks like a 1-up. And then this one here. And this one here. Kind of confused here, but we'll figure this out. It's like this needs to go in here. Definitely looks like it goes like that. Okay. There we go. And it looks like this is going to shoot with these guys here, is what it looks like. I could be wrong. There we go. Let's go ahead and see what happens here. Okay, well, that little guy went flying. So, yeah, so it definitely shoots them out. And as you can see, it does go up, and that is how it fires. That is interesting. I'm surprised Lego has this, but super cool. All right, so how does this thing go? Looks like this goes like that. I'm not sure exactly how this is supposed to go together here. Oh, it goes like that. Oh, okay. I got it now. So it looks like I did that wrong. That's going to go like this, and then this is going to go like this. This is going to go like this. All right. Yeah, I'm not sure what these are for. If you know, let me know. But I'm not exactly sure what they're for. I mean, maybe it's like a safety. Maybe. I don't know. All right, so that's what I've got here. If you have any questions, let me know. Definitely be careful with this one. Maybe put those guys in there. Yeah. There you go. All right, I'm not sure what this piece here was for. I don't see it anywhere as far as what it is. Maybe it's target practice. Maybe that's what it is. Looks like this actually goes on top of that. I'm not sure what it is. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you know what that is, let me know as well. All right, moving on to day number 17 tomorrow.